Hey friends, I'm sharing the recipe for a healthy green drink, Pennywort Juice. This is my all-time favorite juice. When the weather is hot, this is a delicious and refreshing beverage to enjoy. Join me in this short video for the easy recipe. The ingredients are simple. Have pennywort, water, and sugar. Pennywort has a short lifespan, used within 1 to 2 days of bringing it home from the store. Transfer the pennywort into a clean sink filled with cold water. Immerse the pennywort in water and swirl gently. This helps to remove the dirt on the leaves and stems. Discard any wilted greens. Washing the pennywort is the time-consuming part of making this juice. However, since we're drinking all this healthy goodness, we want to make sure the leaves are nice and clean. Unfold bent and curled up leaves and wash, as dirt can be trapped inside. As you can see, the water from this first wash is pretty soiled. Repeat this washing process 1 or 2 more times. I typically triple wash the greens to get them super clean. Add half of the pennywort into a blender. If using a smaller or less powerful blender, make in 3 batches. Add the water. Blend on medium speed for 1 minute or until the greens are completely broken down. Pour the blended juice through a fine sieve. Use a spatula to press the pulp and extract the remaining juice. Repeat the same steps for the second batch. The ratio I use is 1 cup water to 1 ounce pennywort. This makes for a thicker juice, but you can always add more water later. Also, if serving this over ice, it's better to make a thicker drink so it doesn't get diluted. Skim off any bubbles from the top. Add the sugar and combine well. Adjust the sugar levels to your taste. Serve the pennywort juice chilled or over lots of ice. Unlike some green juices which have a strong grassy taste and aroma, pennywort juice is mild, just a tad sweet, and really refreshing. Store the pennywort juice in jars and refrigerate. Enjoy the fresh juice within the week. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.